Where are you going? Of course. Of course. Come here. Come here. Where'd you go? Come here. I got you by your back end. Come here, you dork. Come here. No, come here. Because. Come here. How do I get you out? You had to put yourself right beside that. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop playing in the trailer. Get out. Because. Thank you. Come on. I have no idea what that is. Come on. Up. Let me guess, you're going to go to that bale, aren't you? You can hear like a vehicle driving. No, you can't go into the vehicles. You really need to clean up. You cat. Why? Oh my god, you're being ridiculous. Go this way. Come here. Come here. Come here. You dork. Come on, dork. Go this way. Thank you. No. No. Thank you. Oh, the owl's there. See if I can zoom in on him. Probably not. There's an owl over there. Don't know if you can see him or not. Might be too far away. I'm not sure if I could have zoomed in or not. He was sitting there earlier and Bean was watching him. It's probably gonna rain on us. The snow. If you even care. It's kind of chilly as well. Do 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 do. Come on. Come on. Beanie. Beanie. Thank you. Come on, Beanie. Ow. What are you? What do? What want? Oh. It looks so barren. Excuse me. And it's only the second day of October. And most of the leaves are gone. What? It's just like I want to go to tree. Temptation is there. Don't know what that was. I completely forgot I was recording. And yet Bean wants to play in. What is that? Come on. Beanie doesn't want to walk. You're the one who wanted to come out here. Not me. You were yelling at me. It's definitely raining. It's my own tracks, I'm pretty sure of it. Or, oh, it's deer tracks. That's what she's digging in. You're such a dork. What? What do you need? I don't know. She's so weird. Come on. Come on, let's walk. I think Beanie needs a reset. Unless she has to go to the bathroom. You have to go potty.